This might be one of the most beginner-friendly drones I've tested, but also one of the most misunderstood. Today, we're talking about the DJI Neo 2, a super compact drone that feels more like an action camera that just happens to fly. Let's start with what I actually like about this drone. First of all, the size. This thing is tiny. You can literally just grab it and go. It also feels very approachable. Almost like DJI took an action camera and said, what if it could fly? Now, here's where it gets interesting. And I really like the propeller guards. It makes the drone feel safer, especially if you are a beginner. You also get obstacle sensors, which help avoid crashes, but not entirely. More onto that later. The setup, it's super easy. You can connect it to your phone quickly, but you can also use it without a phone or controller at all. That's honestly one of the coolest parts. You can control it directly from the drone itself using the buttons and small screen. It feels simple, no complicated setup, no learning curve. You just turn it on and start flying. And for content creators, especially solo content creators, you can record video with the drone while recording audio on your phone with noise cancellation. So you don't hear the drone noise, which is actually really useful.
Dat is best wel cool. Dit is best wel cool, als ik eerlijk moet zijn.
Now let's talk about image quality. It's good, but keep your expectations realistic. This is not full frame camera quality, of course. This is more like action camera quality, if that makes sense at all. So it looks nice, especially for social media, but it's not like ultra cinematic drone footage. Now, here's where things get a bit tricky. The battery life is very limited. You're looking at around 15 minutes and then you're done. It does charge fast, but still 15 minutes is not a lot. Also, within that 15 minutes, you also have a limited storage space within this. So be mindful with that. And this is probably my biggest concern. If you're using the drone itself or just your phone, it doesn't always feel reliable. There were moments where it felt like it might just fly away. The DJI Neo 2, just turn it on like this. The buttons will appear. The screen will lit up here. It says follow. Long press the red button here.
Rear. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
Then it will just fly. And that's not a great feeling. It ended up even like crashing into buildings and stuff. So it was a little bit unreliable sometimes. You also are not able to fold it easily into a super compact form. There's no SD card slot as mentioned, so you're stuck with the built-in storage, and the range is limited, unless you get the version with the remote and antenna. Then you stick something at the back end and then you have more range. The hand gestures are a nice feature, but they're not perfect. If you don't enable them in time, or if there's a wind, you might be too late to call the drone back. Anyways, it's a nice little drone. Would I recommend the DJI Neo 2? Yes, but with a big asterisk. This is not a professional drone. This is a fun, easy to use flying action camera just to capture your moment real quick. And if you want something simple, compact, and beginner friendly, this is actually pretty great. But if you want reliability, longer battery life, and more control, you probably need the version with the remote and antenna, because without it, this drone can feel a little bit unpredictable. Or just buy a more expensive version of this, like the DJI Mini Pro. I think we are now at 5. But still, for what it is a very fun piece of tech. Alright guys, just a quick video about this DJI Neo 2. There are so many videos out there. Just want to share my opinions and my footage with you guys. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you got any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. As always, stay safe, stay happy, and good luck.
Manual mode. 3, 2, 1.
Nou, let's see. Naar de volgende punt. Of dat hier nu nog gaat. Geen idee wat er gaat, jongens. Dit is best wel cool. Dit is best wel cool, als ik eerlijk moet zijn. Dat is wel tof.